Hi and welcome to this YouTube video. So in this video, I will teach you how to integrate the Cloudinary upload widget into your project. So this right here is a very basic HTML file, and it has only one button. If I go to the HTML page, you would see it's just a button that is being returned. So what I want to do is anytime I click this button, the widget would appear and I'll be able to upload to Cloudinary. So the first thing that we need to do is of course create a Cloudinary account. Now once you've done that, I want you to search in a new tab Cloudinary upload widget. Now once you've done that, click the first link that pops up. Now once you've clicked it, it should bring you to this page right here. So this is the documentation for the upload widget. Now I would advise that you, after this video, you also take time to read it, as I will not be covering everything. So we need to scroll down up until where we see this quick example, and then when you scroll down, you would see there is a little bit of code. So I want you to copy all these scripts, all the JavaScript code, copy it, go back to your project file, and then paste it in there. So basically what this first line does is just a link to the script file for the Cloudinary. And then if we come back down right here, all this is the code that we are going to use to upload to Cloudinary. Now we need to get two values. We need to get cloud name, and then we need to create an upload preset. So I am going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing that we need to do is go to our Cloudinary account, and then once you've logged into your Cloudinary, I want you to go to settings, and then once you are in settings, I want you to go to upload, and then scroll down to where you have upload presets. Let me just zoom in. Scroll down to where you have upload preset, and then hit upload add new preset. So once you've done that, you can decide to name the presets here rather, and then I'm going to name this tutorial, and then I want you to make this unsigned. Where you have sign-in mode, make it unsigned, and then down in folder, you can choose to define where you want all these files to be uploaded to. What I mean is, anytime you upload files using the widget, it's going to upload all those files to a specific folder. So you can decide to write the name of any folder you want the files to be saved to here. So once you've done all that, just hit save. Now after hitting save, I want you to just take note of the name that you gave this preset. Come back to your code and replace this upload preset with the name of the preset you just created. So I'm going to type tutorial, and then after doing that, we need to get the cloud name. So we do that by going to the dashboard of our Cloudinary account. Now once we come to the dashboard, under accounts details, you can see cloud name. So just copy it, come back to your code, and replace this with the actual cloud name. Now there's one last thing we need to do. If we come back to the Cloudinary documentation, you'll see that there is an event listener right here in the JavaScript, where anytime this button is clicked, this code is called, it says my widgets are open, so it comes here and runs everything inside this variable my widget. So what we now need to do is we need to take note of the ID of this button, which is called upload widget. So I'm going to copy it, and if we come down to JavaScript, it says document.get element by ID upload widget. Then they're adding an event listener where anytime this button is clicked, the Cloudinary widget is opened and it's uploaded to Cloudinary. So what we can do is, after copying that, we need to give this button the ID. So I'm going to give it an ID of upload widget. So anytime this button is clicked, the file is going to be uploaded to, anytime the button is clicked rather, the widget is going to be opened. Now there's one last thing that we need to take note of. We need to install an extension, because we need to run because our project needs to run on a live server before the widgets can actually work. So if you are just trying to run it with a plain HTML file, it wouldn't work. You need your project to run in a live server. So what we simply need to do is just go to extensions and search for live server. Now click the first one that comes up and install it. So once you've installed it, there should be a button right here and some text right here that says go live. So once you just see it, click it. Now once you click it, it would bring you to your projects page. Now if you look at the URL, you would see it's running on a local server, 127.0 like that, / name of the file. So now what we can do is just refresh this page, and once we click upload, you can see the widget gets displayed. So our code is working perfectly well. And if we try to test it right now, let me try to upload the file and this GitHub picture, and then once I upload and it says done, let's go back to Cloudinary to check to prove that it has been uploaded. So if I come to my media library, we can see that the the file has been uploaded right here. Now what if we now want to get the URL to this file immediately we upload it? Now there is also a way to do that. So we can come down right here to the JavaScript, and then inside here we can just write a bit of code and say alert, and then what we're simply going to pass here is result.info.secure URL, SECURE. Okay, so anytime we try to URL, so anytime we try to upload a file now, it's going to display the URL of that particular file. So result.info.secure URL, and then we do this. So we can go back to our page to test it out right now. So when we refresh, hit upload, and then try to upload a file, once we upload it, you can see the URL is being displayed to us in the front end, because in the code right here we told this to alert display this URL. So if I copy this URL right now and I open it in another tab, you can see it's giving me the image that was uploaded. So that is all for this video. There are other things in the documentation, and if you read through, you will learn how to limit the number of files that can be uploaded. You can reduce the size of files that can be uploaded. You can basically just read through documentation. There's a whole lot of things there, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the description below and I would get back to you. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thank you for watching.